Did you know iron contamination is not only in the brake dust that builds up on your car's wheels, it's also airborne in the form of pollution and waterborne dissolved in both city and well water. How do you deal with this? Left untreated, iron contamination not only builds up and bakes onto your car's wheels, it also bonds to your car's paint, where it can cause corrosion to the finish, which clouds and discolors the beauty of your vehicle. 3D BDX is a spray-on, rinse-off product that is completely safe on modern paint as well as all types of wheels, including painted, chrome, polished, and coated aluminum. 3D BDX is acid-free, pH-balanced, and biodegradable. This makes it both earth-friendly and safe to use. For most of us, our car is our second most costly investment besides our home. With 3D BDX, you can chemically decontaminate your vehicle anytime you wash your car to preserve its beauty and value. 3D BDX, the ultimate chemical decontamination product.